All right, so today we're looking back and tracking the Caribbean for some potential tropical development. And GFS has updated and they're tracking. This is the low pressure that could be forming in the next 216 hours. So that's going to be the next couple of days, 1,007 millibars in the Caribbean. So we have this high area of precipitation and we have a potential low pressure that's going to be forming right here. So, looking, this low pressure starts to get its act together in 240 hours, and then we can see this potential low pressure, most likely tropical storm, and then we see it get even its act more together at 999 millibars and coming where Arthur formed earlier. So, basically, we're watching this area for a potential development. We're going to be watching this entire area. Um, But this moves on near Miami, and this ends with a system at 998 millibars, which could be forming like Arthur did and go out to sea. So this is what we're tracking right now. And GFS, it also predicted Arthur forming, and so it's predicting Bertha forming now, potential other storm. Now, by then, it's going to be merging with a cold front. So I don't think this is necessarily going to be a long-lasting storm. But see, this higher time, it is kind of connected with this front. But I do think we're going to be seeing some tropical development. Is it going to become a hurricane, a tropical storm? We don't know yet, but I do think we're going to be seeing something with this system. So this is where I'm at right now. Now, looking at the CMC to just kind of see what it's going for with this, it still has its high level of precipitation, but it really doesn't have anything forming. So the CMC, it hasn't really been consistent. The GFS has been very consistent though. The icon also has been very consistent with this system. If we look here, it is showing something that could be happening, but it's still rather unlikely. So the icon does show high levels of precipitation, especially in the Gulf of Mexico and Caribbean area, and then those kind of stay in the Gulf of Mexico. So we could icon is showing a potential formation in the Gulf of Mexico, but the GFS is the one that's showing the most development with this system. So this is where we're at now. Otherwise, we don't really have anything else, but we could potentially be seeing this system form if there's the wind shear is going to be the biggest problem of this. But the temperatures, they're most likely going to be rather fine at around 29, 28. So those won't be a problem. So really, there's the potential for formation. The La Nina is getting stronger too. So I do think we're going to be seeing this form in the next couple of days. National Hurricane Center hasn't said anything about it yet. They haven't put anything in the next 5 days, no nothing. But it's still a possibility that we do see something in the next 5 days. But thanks for watching. We'll see if that forms or not. Still a high chance, but a low chance at the same time. But this is what we've got going on. So see you guys in the next one, I guess. And don't forget to sub. And that's pretty much it. For more videos and more live streams, I'll be covering this entire situation as it unfolds, and we'll have to see how this goes. All right, peace.